Management Story 2: The Ship's Repair. Once a giant ship's engine broke down. No one from the company could repair it, so the company's owner called for a mechanical engineer with over 40 years of experience to check and repair it. The engineer came and inspected the engine very carefully from top to bottom. After checking, he unloaded his bag and pulled out a small hammer. He knocked something gently on the engine surface, and soon the engine was fixed. The company's owner was also present there. He was surprised to see this like everyone else. After the work was done, the engineer gave the bill to the owner. When the owner saw the bill, he was shocked. The bill was $20,000. The owner exclaimed, "Why is it so much? You practically did nothing. Give us the detailed bill." Next day, the engineer came back with a new bill and gave it to the company owner. The owner opened the bill. There was a breakup of the bill. Tap of the hammer, $2. Know where to tap and how much, $19,998. This was with a note written at the end of the bill. The note said, "If I do a job in 30 minutes, it's because I spent 20 years learning how to do it in 30 minutes. You owe me for years, not for minutes." Management learning here. We should learn to appreciate one's experience and expertise because those are results of struggles, experiments, and hard work. Experience is invaluable. Give it its worth. Story narration by author Sapna Narayan, professional communication coach, English confidence coach, corporate communication trainer. Want to talk to the coach? All links are in the description. However, the website, email, Instagram, WhatsApp, and a single link to all other links are here for you. If you enjoyed learning from here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do share and discuss and show love in the comments. Thank you.